When the silk-making process was first developed 5,000 years ago in China, silk was a rare and expensive luxury. Silk would still be sparse today if people had not engaged in the manipulation of a natural process. Sericulture, the breeding of silkworms to produce silk, has improved greatly over the centuries. The technologies used in making silk thread and weaving silk fabric have also benefited from important innovations. A better silkworm. The silkworm is the larvae or caterpillar of Bombyx mori, the domesticated silk moth typically used in silk production. The name Bombyx mori means mulberry silk moth. This animal's life cycle has 4 stages: egg, larva that makes the cocoon, pupa that changes inside the cocoon, and winged adult moth. Silk is the material that the larva naturally produces to make its cocoon. Bombyx mori is a hybrid, the result of breeding particular species over many years. This selective modification of inherited traits was done to make a stronger and more productive moth. For example, a Bombyx mori moth lays about 500 eggs, more than other species. The eggs are hardier than other silkworm eggs. As a result, more of them survive to develop into larvae. The larvae are also healthy. They eat enough to increase 10,000 times in size in just 4 to 6 weeks. Most moths fly during their adult stage to find mates and places with plentiful food to lay their eggs. But Bombyx mori is a mutated species of moth that is unable to fly. For this reason, it relies entirely on humans to provide its larvae with a special diet of nutrients from the leaves of white mulberry trees. Humans must also ensure that the eggs are kept at a temperature of 65 degrees to 77 degrees Fahrenheit until they hatch. Silkworm life cycle. Eggs. Larva, silkworm. Pupa, adult moth.